Hi everybody, if you're using the AI in your smartphone, then you may think that will I be able to use the AI in your PC? So today I'm going to tell you that how you can. So now we are on our screen and you can see that in my taskbar there are 5 apps only. If I will remove the Microsoft Store, then there are 4 apps. Which of them? 2 are AI apps and 2 are web browsers. For the Microsoft there is Copilot and for Chrome there is ChatGPT. Before going to those, I will show you some basic AI features that you may be found in the gallery. For this, just right click and then you can find the image editor. It is the Microsoft official image editor. Just click it and here you can find 2 AI options. For this, you often goes to the websites to do these works. The first one is AI image eraser. Just click it and it is a generative eraser. You can just have to now remove or select the area that you want to remove. If you want to add some other color, then turn off the auto apply, then you can easily do it. Here now just drag the area to the area where you want to remove it, as especially it will work better in the background where a lot of people or things available. It is not that type of background, but still you can see that this is how we can use it. And the second one is AI background remover. Till today I am 100% sure most of the people goes to the website for these work, since there is no background remove option available for this image because there is no object or subject, so it is just very normal. And here you can find some options like blur and remove the background or change the background. Here I don't want to change anything in the image, so I was cancelled that. Here we can find one more AI options available in the gallery, that is Ask Copilot. I think this might be become too much helpful for us. Just click it and here this will automatically upload the file for that you are asking a question. Here now we can see the Copilot is open and the image is automatically uploaded. Now we can ask any of the query or any of the question that we have in our mind. So here you can see that I am also asking, that is, can I use the image as a background? So it is giving the answer. This is how we can use the AI in this. Now we have to come on the Copilot, so I will show you some features that you may 100% like of the Copilot. Before now, if you use the ChatGPT, but from today you don't use it. The first feature, that is the amazing one, which is you are able to share a screen. Here you can see the option, or you can directly pick a app from here for those you want to use it. Here you can see I have selected the gallery. Now the edges will become orange when it is started. Since I am using my mic to record this overview, so I was unable to use it, but you can use it because my mic is busy and that's why I was unable to use it. Here you can see this comes with a lot of options and it will guide you whenever you are in trouble for a specific app. Here I have opened it again, and the second option that we can find is we can find the premium options unlimited time in the Microsoft Copilot because it is the Microsoft Windows and it is the Microsoft tab. So we got the amazing mixture of all of these features. Here you can find some other options like create an image, so directly you have to type the image. Type like I am typing car having a jet fighter jet or jet engines. So here you can generate. Here you can find the task search. If you will click on it, then it is AI integrated and works well. Here you can have to type any of the question or any of the query. It will ask or show the result of the whole web. But it was not working at that time in my PC, so I was unable to show you. Now I have come in Microsoft Edge, the Microsoft own browser, and I have searched for fourth wonder of the world. And there is summary or some type of information came down. Now I will show you the AI features that we can see in the Microsoft Edge only. Now if you want to see only any of the text, then it will give the reference website, like from where it was taken down. And if you select the text, then it will show the option to search the text without typing it manually. Here you can see I have done it. It is amazing, but not only this, we can find a lot of options. If you see the websites like Wikipedia, where you can find a lot of information, but you want to summarize them. So till now you can use the extensions or other things, but from now here you can see that I am going to use the Microsoft owns AI on the same page. Here first of all, what the step, came to any of the website, then select the text. Here you can find the option of Ask Copilot. Just click on it. Here after uploading the whole information, it will summarize it in a single paragraph. Here you can find it. And thereafter, if you want having any of the query, then you can ask them, and it will have a lot of options. If you want research, generate image from the text, or other things, that you can definitely do it directly from here. But not only this, if you want the summary of the whole page, then you can see I am clicked on the summary option, and here the whole summary of the page is came down. This is amazing because this is works seamlessly without taking a lot of time. Now time, if we say the time, then we will definitely tired from the YouTube long videos. For this, Microsoft also generated the solution. Here I have came down in the YouTube website. Here I will search for a specific topic like thermodynamics lecture, and here we can find a lot of videos. And when I was searched for the topic, here the first video that I was see, or the having the mind to see, you can see on my screen. The network is working too slow, but here is the video came down, and the video is about 9 hours long. So will you think that you will see the whole video? Or if what if you having not the Wi-Fi, then you want the clear text but in low pixels. For this, we can definitely find the AI features. The first one, which is AI enhance. This will enhance the video quality at the lower pixels. Now see the another option, which is the picture in picture. If you want to use the same feature on the Chrome, then you have to download the extension. But you here you can find it preloaded. The next one is summarize. Here you can find the whole summary of the video or of the lecture in the same page, and in a second here you can see it is done. And not only this, but you are able to ask questions, generate reports, etc. But now here we can found some options of AI on the Chrome also. So here I'm going to show you all of the features of the Chrome. Here I have come on the Chrome browser, and before going to use the features, we have to search for a specific thing, because the features will work only when we have searched for a thing. Like I'm going to show you who is Xavier Tech on YouTube. I have searched this title, and here we can also found the AI overview. And now you will see, if you click the whole paragraph or a two or three line, then it will show nothing. But when you click a specific or two words, then it will show you something like explain the words, the word of the meaning, and the related image related to the word, and the other thing also. Here the most amazing thing of the Chrome browser you are going to see right now. I have for this come to the YouTube, and here you have to click any of the video like this one. And for this video I was come for a specific part before going to use the feature. Here you can find the Google Lens amazingly feature that have Google integrated. It works like the smartphone having the Google search, which is circle to search. Here you can see I have searched, and it is amazingly work without typing anything, without doing anything. We just have to select it, and it is amazing looking, amazingly features loaded. Here you can see I was searched for the question, and in a second it was give the answer. Here we can find the other options to copy the text, translate it, and the other one also. Now if you want to select the whole image, then see how the AI is powerful. Now in this video we are ended it. Now we will meet in another video. Till then subscribe the Zyvera Tech, because the amazing video will came and came and came. So subscribe to the Zyvera Tech and like this video.